Hey guys, what's up? So today we're talking about strategy for iOS 11, 12, and 13 up to 13.6. The first tweak is called Reddit Undo Scroll Up, and basically this brings one of my favorite Apollo features to Reddit app, so I can status bar tap scrolls you back where you are. Next tweak is called Restats Reborn, and automatically reset cellular statistics and on a certain day. So to tweak the automatically reset cellular statistics on a certain day, originally developed by Greedy Dev. This version works with all versions of iOS 7 up to iOS 13. You can enable, disable, notify, and trigger. Set cycle for daily, monthly, weekly as a certain amount of days. Set specific date to reset the statistics. Show statistics to notification dash preferences. And yeah, so pretty cool. If you're actually like basically watching your cellular data, if you have like a plan, you don't go over, this is a great way to keep track of it. This is called Instagram Plus, your most complete Instagram features. Instagram Plus alternative. So you get basically these features: see unsent direct messages, comment translation, story video editor, copy comment text, various confirmation, low data mode, show total likes and views, add unlimited accounts, full resolution profile picture, disable quick reactions, unlimited media replay in your direct message, disable type in status, direct message, disable message marked as seen, direct message. So a bunch of cool features for Instagram. This is called Instagram profile picture, and it shows Instagram's users' profile pictures in short look when you receive an Instagram notification. Next is called haptic keys and haptic feedback for your keyboard touches. Next is called don't swipe. Use an activated gesture to prevent people from swiping when showing them a photo. So use an activated gesture, like I said, to prevent people from swiping when showing them a photo and going to the other applications. It works on system wide. Next is called iRespring ETS. And respring-safe mode-UI catch and etc. This is actually a widget called WPod4 and WPod4 widget with movement. This is called AF Social and adds more features to social media apps. This is called VK again. This is called VK again, and basically here we go again. This tweet is actually a theme called Gamers Touch, and place what you love on your status bar, represent your team with the status bar theme pack. This tweet is called, it's actually base Cydia tweets called Buff Juiced Base Cydia tweets, and tweets from Cydia, guys. This tweet is called Rose, being peed by a rose and feel that good, it's time to change that. This tweet is called Add a Folder, easily move apps to your folders. This is called Cinemo and battery right on your dock. This tweet is called Etienne HTML, allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen. This is called Came iOS 14 pin messages feature ported to iOS 13. This is called Short Emoji, adds quick access to emojis and pasteboard shortcuts to the stock keyboard. This is called Time, it's your time and your way. You just get a bunch of features. This is called Time Demo, it's just a demo of the time tweak. This is called Nita and Insol LLA. So display the weather in the lock screen, notification center, control center through the emoji. This is called Dress up your lock screen. Next tweak, that's the theme called Checkra1n, and that's what it looks like. This theme is called Gamer Keys, and a theme for your keyboard, 3 types of retro game sound effects. Use snowboard and sounds ascension to apply. Tweak, that's a theme called Relevo, it's a beautiful light theme with a modern design. This is called Latos. Limitless keyboard customization for iOS. She's called Better Alarm, new design and many smart features for your alarm and timer. This tweet is actually a theme called Red Dead, merge between Red Dead and Dead Red. Pretty cool. This tweet is called Files of File Manager. It's a file manager for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, supports iOS 7 and up. And the last tweak is called Freemote, and basically with this tweak, brings BTTV emotes to the iOS Twitch app, Pogu. So, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.